Okay, nifty thrifty girl here, and I'm featuring a vintage white. And actually, I've seen this machine badged as a few different things. It's just basically a super deluxe Japanese-made zigzag, but it has the badge white on this machine. It's a 1 amp all-metal machine. It's a basic straight zigzag with 3-level feed dogs, adjustable stitch width and adjustable stitch length, and of course bobbin winder on the wheel. High shank machine, standard high shank, left homing needle, class 15 bobbins, 15x1 needles. Cosmetically, it's pretty nice. Got a paint ding here out of the white, and a few light use and wear scratches, but other than that, it's pretty decent. Tabletop ready, just serviced, or you can put it in a Singer cabinet or carrying case. Very nice machine. It comes with some goodies. It comes with a ruffler, a roller foot, bobbins, and a few other things that will be pictured. And as I said, it's very nice. Left homing machine, that's important to some people, to some it's not. Creative embroidery is also a possibility. And a hair. There we go. Got it tweaked in. This kind of has an infinite tensioner, so it's a little hard to get tweaked in right at first. I think I got that a little better there. Please check our feedback. As we offer vintage machines all the time, delivered ready to go. And this is 5 layers of Levi's denim using a size 16 needle. Nice older machine, and a couple layers of suede leather. Started. Woo! My light fell. Of course, this machine is not meant to do leather all day, every day, but if you have a couple small leather projects that you need to do, these older machines can do those. But if you do it too much, too long, you will burn out your motor. Plain and simple. And that's pretty thick too. Wouldn't want to do something like that 12 hours a day, 5 days a week. If you want to do something like that, you need industrials. But this is the 1 amp vintage white model MIN Super Deluxe.